fried chicken, quite possibly my favorite thing to eat in this world. I have eaten fried chicken from a gas station to like the best restaurants in the world. There is no bad fried chicken. There are only levels of good. And the cool thing about fried chicken is that it's easy to make, it's hard to mess up, and I want to show you how to make a really, really good version of fried chicken, and then I'm going to add my own twist to it. Let's start with chicken. Got some chicken here, and I got some buttermilk. Why buttermilk? There's an acidity in buttermilk, which is going to help to break down and tenderize the chicken. It's also going to add a little bit of flavor. So I don't ever cook white meat with chicken. There's not enough fat in it, and part of the flavor of fried chicken is going to come from the bone, which is going to sort of release flavor. For me, fried chicken is dark meat. You got legs, your drumsticks, and your thighs, and you want to leave the skin on. And really, all I'm going to do is take my chicken and dunk it into the buttermilk.